Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be reviewing the Tarte Mascara Lights, Cameras, Splashes Waterproof Mascara. So yeah, I never really had this mascara, and it's waterproof, so yeah, I'm gonna be testing it out in front of you guys. This is the first time I'm opening it too. It's like leathery. As you guys can see, I already did my foundation, I did my base and everything. I just left out the mascara and I'm going to be trying it right now. So let's give it a try, shall we? I'm just going to do it on one eye. Go in with another mascara, a different one. So this is how it looks. Can you see? So I'm going to be doing my left eye. For you guys it's the right. It doesn't make it look clumpy and it makes it look really natural, as you guys can see. But let's try and go in with a second layer because the first layer didn't seem to lengthen them so much, so let's go in with the second layer. Can you guys tell the difference? I feel like it's not much of a lengthener, as I can tell. But I'm gonna keep building it up and see how it looks, you know? This eye, I'm gonna be trying it with another mascara and we're gonna be comparing the differences. So I'm gonna be going in with the third coat. On the third coat, you can tell that it's now lengthening it. It's still clump free, but I feel like it's gonna start to get clumpy if I still keep building it up. So yeah, I feel like it didn't really do much. This is my third layer, so I don't know if I should go in with the fourth. I think I should. It definitely did lengthen my eyelashes from how they originally were, like this, to like this. So obviously it does lengthen, but it just takes a couple of coats to build it up and then, you know. But the good thing is it doesn't get clumpy. Let's see, I just want to try one more just to see if it gets clumpy or not. Ooh, the fourth layer though. Ooh, I don't know about this now. I think it might be worth it. I think you just have to keep building it up to the to however you want it. Next eye, I'm going to be going in with the $8 mascara, and I'll show you guys which one it is right now. For my right eye, aka your left eye, I'm going to be using Voluminous Million Lashes. I'm pretty sure it's by L'Oreal, but I got this one at Ulta Beauty on the website. And this one's just like $8, so. And this one is like my favorite mascara ever, so let's see, shall we? And we'll also count the layers or the coats. And also the spoolie, it's much more thicker. It's thicker and it has a lot of little bristles. This one is more skinnier. So you guys can see on the first coat only, this mascara, the $8 one, it gradually lengthened my eyelashes more than this one did on the first one. Ooh, look at this shit. Oops, sorry. Oh my gosh, look. This is the $8 mascara I got at Ulta.com. And it's just $8. I've been using this for a long time. And look at the second layer. This is the second coat. This is fourth coat. I'm going to be going in with the third coat. Ooh, girl, look at this. I don't think I'm gonna need a fourth coat. I don't think I'm gonna need a fourth. I don't think I'm gonna need a fourth coat because look at this. It's so long, and I feel like if I make a fourth coat, it might get clumpy. I don't want to ruin that, so I'm gonna keep it like this. It's already long enough, and it's definitely longer than this one. So I'm guessing that tells you guys the answer. Maybe it's just my eyelashes, but maybe not. So there you guys have it. For like lengthening wise, I do not think it's the best, but for the waterproof or non-clumping formula for all natural looking lashes, this is the way to go. This one, and just 3 coats, it gave me the results of super long lashes and it did not clump up. This one, it was 4 coats and it looks like it's not as long and it kind of clumped up at the end right here. So I would say I prefer this $8 mascara over this. I'm still going to be using this mascara, but I would say between these two, this is the winner, the $8 mascara over the $25 mascara. So yeah, there you guys have it. So the $8 mascara won. Once again, this is the $8 mascara, and this is the $25 mascara from Tarte. This is from Ulta. I want to thank you guys all so much for sticking with me, for being with me, for supporting me and encouraging me to do more of these videos. So thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below what you guys want to see or what you guys think of this video. And yeah, I'll see you guys all next time. Bye! So far, it doesn't make it look clumpy, 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 and girl, look at this, girl.